Okay, so here, this topic here, this video, okay, so we will be demonstrating the scatter plot. Okay, so to do that, just so easy. Okay, just have to highlight this one. Okay, highlight this two here because we will be highlighting the price and the square. We will check their um, kind of this. We have to check the relationship. Okay, but we're not into finding about correlations. We're just showing here, uh, visualizing the relationship between the two variables. Okay, so so highlight that one and then insert scatter plot this one, and yeah, you have this data. Okay, so we're gonna just have to rename this one price. Again, price versus square feet. Okay, square feet. Okay, so there is in fact a linear relationship. Okay, there is a really linear relationship. Okay, you can just change the this one, or you can have the option to change all of this to that one. Okay, and add some uh, title here. Okay, you can rename here and here. Okay, so that's how to create a. Okay, you can use that one. Okay, so that's how to create a scatter plot. So easy, right? Okay, so for R, gonna click some R here, and then we're gonna import data again. Okay, import here, and then our data is on the desktop. Okay, gonna look for that. This one. I'm giving this to you, so we have to rename this data to my data. Okay, and we'll look for the PG sales. Okay, PG sales. Okay, and then data is already changed in the name. Click import. Okay, now we have the data. Okay, so now that we have the data, we can now plot. Okay, so we have to use plot. Okay, uh-huh. My data. Okay, we'll be using price and square feet. Okay, my data square feet. Okay, so the main here is the name of the scatter plot. Okay, a scatter plot, blah blah blah, of price and SQ. Okay, so that's it. So and then y lab is the name of the y-axis, and we're gonna name it as price. You can follow the book. Okay, well, the naming. Okay, you have the option, and the color will be chocolate. Okay, and then we haven't named this X lab, right? We haven't named the X lab, so we have to add some X lab here. X lab is SQPT. Okay, And the color here is chocolate. PCH, we will check that later. We will experiment to this. Okay, we will experiment how the PCH works. Okay, okay, so that's it. That's the scatter plot. Okay, now we'll check how this PCH works. Let's try 10. Okay, so it's the PCH is the degree of the color, the aggressiveness of the color of the dotted lines. Okay, so let's make it 20. Okay, okay, it's just aesthetics. Okay, how about we remove PCH? Okay, so it's that. Okay, is this the degree of the color? How about 150? That's warning. We have a warning. Okay, okay, 30 as a warning. So 15 is the safest. Okay, so that's it. That's how to create scatterplot using Microsoft Excel and R. Okay, see you again.